Hello students, good morning all of you. I am Sister Soumya and teaching science for 5th class. Chapter 1, the circulatory system. Last class we studied part 1. Now we are going to study part 2. Okay? Students, now let us learn about blood vessels. What is blood vessels? Blood flows through tubes called blood vessels. What it is? Blood flows through tubes called blood vessels. Blood vessels are 3 types: arteries, veins and capillaries. Now let us learn about arteries and veins. Thick and muscular walls. How is arteries? Thick and muscular walls. Then second point is carry blood away from the heart. Carry blood away from the heart. Third point is bright red in color. Blood color is bright red. We know that now. Then fourth point is contains a lot of oxygen. Contains a lot of oxygen. Next we learn about veins. Veins made with the thin walls. How is made veins? With the thin walls. Second point is carry blood towards the heart. Carry blood towards the heart. Third point is dark in color. Students, which color is the vein? Dark. No? Then fourth point is does not contain oxygen. Does not contain oxygen. Now we see the capillaries. How is capillaries? Finest blood vessel. It is connected with the arteries to vein. Connected with the arteries to vein. It is very thin walls. Very thin walls. How is capillaries? It is very thin walls. Food and oxygen pass from blood to the cells. Last point is carbon dioxide and waste products pass from cells to the blood. How are the capillaries? It is finest one and connected with the arteries to vein and very thin wall. Okay. What are the function of capillaries? See that the last 2 points. Food and oxygen pass from blood to the cells. Then second one, carbon dioxide and waste products pass from cells to the blood. Next part, heart. Heart shape is cone. Which shape? It is cone shape. Heart lies between lungs and our chest. Where it is? Between lungs and our chest. The heart beats continuously. That we know. Our heart is not a take rest. It is continuous working. Pumps blood into the arteries to be transported to all parts of the body. Pumps blood into the arteries to be transported to all parts of the body. Now we learn about structure of heart. It has 4 chambers. How many chambers? 4 chambers. 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. How many? 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. Heart divided into 2 halves by a thick muscular septum. Each half has an auricle above and a ventricle below. Auricle above and ventricle below. Right has deoxygenated blood and left has pure oxygenated blood. Right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from the whole body. Left auricle receives oxygenated blood from the lungs. The right ventricle receives deoxygenated blood from the right auricle and pumps it to lungs for oxygenation. Let us see the diagram. It is a heart structure. First, see here branches of right pulmonary artery. Left side, see branches of left pulmonary artery. Then this red color, branches of left pulmonary vein. Understood now? Pulmonary artery, left side pulmonary vein and artery. Then see right pulmonary artery. Then here branches of right pulmonary vein. It is pulmonary valve. Then white color, heart muscles. Then this red down, descending ortho. Working of heart. When both auricles and ventricles are relaxed, auricles get filled with the blood. When it is filled, when both auricles and ventricles are relaxed. Then second point is, right auricles receives deoxygenated blood from all part of the body. Left auricles receive oxygenated blood from the lungs by pulmonary veins. But it is left auricles receive oxygenated blood from where? From the lungs by pulmonary veins. And next point is, both the auricles contact together and their walls open. Both the auricles, when contact together, their walls open. Blood from left auricle comes into the left ventricle and from right auricles to right ventricle. Next point is, both the auricles and ventricles contact. Oxygenated blood from the left ventricle is pumped into the ortho and is distributed to all body parts by arteries. The deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle is pumped into the pulmonary aorta and is transported to the lungs by pulmonary arteries for oxygenation. Now let us learn about heartbeat. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the auricles and ventricles is known as heartbeat. The human heart beats about 72 times per minute. How many minutes beats our hearts? 72 times per minute. Doctors hear heartbeat using a stethoscope. Next point is keeping the heart healthy. How does keeping the heart healthy? See, one by one, some points are there. First one, cutting down the amount of fat in the diet will keep the heart healthy. Too much fat is there, then remove from our body. Then second point is regular exercise and deep breathing also keep the heart healthy. Yes, doing exercise every day, na? Many are doing, na? Then it is good for our health. Continue it. Okay. Okay, students. All of you read the lesson twice. Okay. Okay, thank you, students.